Hi, I'm Erin. I'm an ACG 2021. Today we're going to be talking about the sales analysis for cat manufacturing. Our data consists of total sales by quarter and year, revenue by category, top customers by sales, sales by division, which include the US, UK, Germany, Russia, India, and Korea, and sales by product line. Today we will be going over this interactive dashboard to see different trends within cat manufacturing. First, in 2020, we can see that the fourth quarter had the highest sales revenue of $10,366,640 in sales revenue. Now, if we go to the medical category, we can see that in 2021, the highest quarter with the highest sales revenue is quarter 3 at $1,314,466. In 2019, if we go to the materials processing category, we can see that the product line with the most sales was Pulsed YT. If we go to 2019 for the Germany division, for materials and processing, we can also see that the sales of the product line with the highest sales was Pulsed YT at $2,582,529 in sales. Now, if we go to 2020, for the UK division, we can see for the telecom category that the second quarter had the highest sales of $157,968 in sales revenue. Now, if we stay in 2020 and we go to the fourth quarter, we can see that the top customers by sales was Green Wolf Co. at $20,877 in sales revenue. Now going back over to 2021, we can see that for the Russia division, that the top customer was Church Seal Company at $491,063 in sales revenue. This dashboard can help cat manufacturing see where they are having the highest sales come in, per year. So in 2019, it'll show, for each category what the sales revenue is looking like, or even per quarter you can see where you did the best. So if you click on telecom and you go to 2020, you can clearly see that in quarter 1 they weren't generating as much sales revenue as they were at the end of 2020 in quarter 4, where they were producing almost $40,000 plus in sales revenue. You can also see that, for the United States, it's going to look a bit different in 2020 for the telecom. It's going to be more almost at $1 million for sales revenue in quarter 4, which is drastically different than the Russia division we were just looking at. And it'll continue showing you the different product lines. So say we go back to 2021, we can see that we go back out to the categories. So I'm so sorry, it's not going to do. We can, and it even shows us the bar graphs, but we don't need that. So let's go back to our main. But anyways, yeah, That's what you can see.